Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to save image and video to local folder in the game Neverness to Everness. So first of all, launch the game and then press the escape button on your keyboard to bring up the menu, and then click on this camera icon and then click on this album icon, and here you will see photos and videos. So select the photo that you want to save and then click on this icon. It will say save to local folder. Similarly, go to video, select the video and then click on this icon. It will say save to local folder. You can see over here it is showing save. Now if you want to find where this save photos and videos are located in my computer, then here follow the steps. So open File Explorer, open C drive, open program files, open Neverness to Everness game folder, then open the client folder, open Windows No Editor folder, open this selfie folder, then open this numeric folder, and inside that you will find screenshot and ffmpeg folder. So to find the photos, open the screenshots folder, and here you can see the saved images. And if you want to check the videos, then click on this folder, and here you can see the saved videos. So I hope by following these steps you can easily save photos and videos to local folder in the game Neverness to Everness. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.